The feelings we experience each day are an amazing navigation system. They have the power to guide us gently through our encounters and our occurrences. However, our logical mind is often in the driver's seat of making our everyday decisions. We learn early in life to move through our daily interactions, making quick decisions that are often based on past experience. And with each decision we make, we create our lives in very deliberate ways, whether advantageous or not. But what if we made our decisions from our hearts, rather than with our minds? It may sound cliché to say that our hearts are much more equipped to guide us, but if you could learn to sense what your heart is telling you in any given moment, or in all moments, your decisions may be better suited to guide you to a life that you prefer to live. In other words, we can master our hearts for manifestation. We have shifting physical sensations within our body multiple times per day, and these physical sensations, when honed in on specifically and intentionally, without letting the mind refer to past experience, can direct our route in a much clearer way. These sensations are a nonverbal language. They are the language of vibration and frequency. We're not talking about passing moods, but rather deep invitations that create spiritual transformation. The heart and the spirit are intimately intertwined. The vibrational language of the heart resides in the spiritual realm, and can make us more attuned to a life of joy, abundance, peace, and overall happiness. Interestingly enough, the signals that come from our heart have a large effect on the functioning processes of our brain. In fact, the heart sends more signals to the brain than the brain sends signals to the heart. And heart math research has shown that different patterns of heart activity have distinct effects on emotional and cognitive function. In an article from heartmath.org, they state, during stress and negative emotions, when the heart rhythm pattern is erratic and disordered, the corresponding pattern of neural signals traveling from the heart to the brain inhibits higher cognitive functions. This limits our ability to think clearly, remember, learn, reason, and make effective decisions. This helps explain why we may often act impulsively and unwisely when we're under stress. The heart's input to the brain during stressful or negative emotions also has a profound effect on the brain's emotional processes, actually serving to reinforce the emotional experience of stress. In contrast, the more ordered and stable pattern of the heart's input to the brain during positive emotional states has the opposite effect. It facilitates cognitive function and reinforces positive feelings and emotional stability. This means that learning to generate increased heart rhythm coherence by sustaining positive emotions not only benefits the entire body, but also profoundly affects how we perceive, think, feel, and perform. Our emotions and our decision-making are directly linked. In an article written on Tony Robbins' website, they state, research shows that you have 60 times the energy coming out of the heart as you do the brain. No wonder your heart's state dramatically impacts how your brain works. They go on in this article to state, many people think that to control and process their emotions, they need to turn them off entirely. That's not true. Humans are emotional creatures, designed to factor feelings into everything they do. The key to pairing your rational mind with your emotions is through heart breathing. Heart breathing draws your awareness to your heart and the power it generates. Practicing it will center you in your emotions without letting them run rampant. The technique known as heart-focused breathing or conscious breathing directs your attention to your heart area. Breath indicates life, and we can breathe life into our intentions. With this process, you breathe in a little more deeply than normal, imagining you are doing so through your heart, and as you breathe out, imagining this is also accomplished through your heart. But this can also be used to solve problems, and with practice can be a natural way to navigate through decision-making moments and manifestation without allowing the brain to recreate the reality from a space of the past. Here's how to do it. Focus on a decision you need to make or an intention that you would like to create. Once you have this in mind, just close your eyes, take both of your hands and place them on your navel. As you breathe in, imagine breathing in through your heart while rubbing your hands upward from your navel to your heart area on your chest. Try to feel the intensity of the energy in your body as you do this. And imagine this energy as an immense love flowing through you. Bring your hands back down to your navel, and as they relax, exhale, imagining that exhale coming back through your heart center. Repeat these steps for about 10 or 20 times until you begin to feel your heart center opening up, or you can do it a little longer if you wish. Once you've done this, and as you are still experiencing these intense feelings in your body, bring to mind something you are most grateful for. Center your mind on this thing for several moments, and try to imagine it right in front of you in as much detail as possible. And breathe your gratitude for this person, place, thing, or whatever it is into your heart. And as you exhale, imagine exhaling this gratitude and love back out through your heart and sending it to this thing that you've chosen. Keep breathing in this way for several moments. After you have felt this immense gratitude and love within you, when you are centered in such a way that your heart can communicate effectively with your mind, tell yourself, "Everything I need is already within me. I have the solution to this decision. I have the solution to creating this intention." Keep repeating this, and as you do, keep feeling your gratitude and imagining your breath moving in through your heart center and exhaling back out through your heart center. This is the space where your answer resides, balancing your feeling states, spiritual essence, and your mind. Begin to sense or become aware of any possibilities that appear to you regarding your intention and/or your decision that you need to make. Continue to breathe deeply in this way for as long as you wish, offering gratitude and love to your heart center for its guidance. When doing this exercise, you can remain in this state for as long as you wish. If you do not receive your answer immediately, know that it will come with more practice, and you can perform this exercise several times per day. This powerful yet simple process allows the mind a chance to relinquish its control so that the better suited spiritual essence of you can come forward and lead with its built-in wisdom. When we train ourselves to lead with our hearts, we begin to operate from the space of love, gratitude, clarity, and strength, the qualities that create immensely positive experiences.